Rental property investing for beginners. Making money from a profitable real estate property is a dream for many. So today we're going to talk about the process of transforming that dream into reality. We will discuss the important steps to identify a profitable property, manage the investment, and ultimately generate a sustainable income. This guide aims to provide valuable insights for both novice and seasoned investors who are looking to expand their real estate portfolio. Let's begin. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Read and learn about real estate. This knowledge not only helps potential investors understand the complexities involved, but also equips them with the necessary tools to navigate this highly competitive industry. By dedicating time and effort to researching, investors can better identify lucrative opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Ultimately, taking the time to educate oneself before purchasing a rental property will lead to more successful and profitable investments. Number 2. Research the local rental market. By understanding current trends and demands, you can identify the types of properties that renters are seeking and ensure a higher occupancy rate. This knowledge will also enable you to find appropriate neighborhoods for investment and maximize potential returns. Being well informed about the market allows you to make data-driven decisions, giving you a competitive edge in the real estate industry. Number 3. Attend local real estate meetings and events. These gatherings provide invaluable insights into market trends, emerging investment opportunities, and foster connections with those who can offer expert advice. Not only will participating in these events allow you to make well-informed decisions, but it will also help you navigate the complexities of the real estate industry with greater confidence. By becoming an active member of the local real estate scene, you are positioning yourself for long-term growth and success in your investment endeavors. Number 4. Build a network of reliable contractors and service providers. This enables investors to establish trust with partners who will play a vital role in maintaining and enhancing the value of their properties. A strong network of skilled contractors and service providers, such as plumbers, electricians, and property managers, can help ensure timely repairs and efficient operations. Establishing these connections prior to investing in a rental property can ultimately contribute to a more seamless property management experience. Number 5. Understand the buy and hold strategy. This approach involves acquiring a property with the intention of holding onto it, even during market fluctuations, to generate consistent rental income and potential appreciation. It's crucial for investors to thoroughly analyze the property, location, and rental market conditions. By mastering the buy and hold strategy, investors can mitigate risks and experience significant financial benefits in the long run. Number 6. Determine your investment budget and seek financing options. By carefully evaluating your financial position, you can avoid a lot of stress and make informed decisions on the type and scale of investment properties that best matches your goals. Various financing options, such as mortgages, home equity loans, or private investors, can offer attractive benefits and should be carefully assessed to ensure a successful investment journey. Taking these crucial steps will not only help you secure your desired property, but also lay a strong foundation for your investment strategy. Number 7. Calculate cash flow and net income. In order to make the most out of your investment, it is essential to calculate cash flow and net income prior to purchasing a rental property. By doing so, you can accurately project your potential earnings and assess the feasibility of your investment plans. This will also enable you to adjust the property's rent or explore additional revenue streams if necessary. Ultimately, integrating a thorough financial analysis into your decision-making process can increase your overall confidence and likelihood of success in the real estate market. Number 8. Consult with a real estate lawyer, insurance and legal considerations. In order to safeguard your investment, it is crucial to consult with a real estate lawyer before purchasing a rental property. This professional guidance will help you navigate the complex legal landscape associated with property ownership. An in-depth understanding of insurance and legal info is paramount in protecting your financial interests. Taking these proactive measures will ensure a smooth transaction and set the foundation for a successful rental investment. Number 9. Property taxes. One key factor that should not be overlooked is the property tax associated with the potential purchase. Being well informed on the property tax rates in the area not only helps in making a wise investment decision, but also ensures a more accurate calculation of potential returns. Taking the time to research and assess local property taxes prior to any real estate transaction is essential for a successful and profitable investment. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 10. Perform thorough due diligence on properties before making an offer. It ensures that the investor is aware of potential risks, legal issues, and the property's overall condition. This allows for informed decision-making, and mitigates the chances of encountering unexpected issues down the line. By diligently investigating a property's history, analyzing the local market, and carefully evaluating financing options, investors can secure a successful investment and maximize their return on investment. Number 11. Purchase your rental property. After much consideration and research, now is the time to take the leap and purchase your first rental property. Having a steady passive income from your investment can significantly improve your financial independence and create long-term wealth. As you embark on this journey, carefully evaluate potential properties, considering factors such as location and potential for appreciation. Number 12. Find ways to increase property value. By investing in upgrades and improvements, you can ensure that your property becomes even more attractive to potential tenants. Additionally, a well-maintained property typically fetches a higher rent, leading to an increase in your overall return on investment. It's crucial for property owners to be proactive in identifying opportunities for value-added enhancements and executing them effectively. Number 13. Advertise the property for rent. After securing your ideal property, the next essential step is to advertise it for rent. Effectively marketing your rental property can attract potential tenants, reducing vacancy periods and increasing revenue. Utilize various advertising channels, such as online platforms, local newspapers, and print materials like flyers to target a wider audience. By showcasing your property's unique features and amenities, you can entice renters and ultimately find a tenant. Number 14. Hire a property manager to oversee maintenance and tenant interactions. By delegating the responsibility of maintenance and tenant interactions to a professional, you can ensure a smooth and efficient renting process. Property managers possess extensive experience and knowledge in the field, allowing them to address potential issues and maintain a positive relationship with tenants. Additionally, their expertise can contribute to the overall success and profitability of your investment by maximizing occupancy rates. Number 15. Implement a tenant screening process. This process involves verifying potential tenants' income, credit history, and rental histories, as well as conducting background checks to assess their suitability. By taking these necessary steps, you can minimize the risk of property damage, late payment, or non-payment, contributing to the overall success of your investment. Additionally, a well-defined screening process protects you as a property owner while ensuring a safer and more enjoyable living environment for your tenants. Number 16. Develop a comprehensive lease agreement. This essential legal document will serve as a guideline for both parties, ensuring that expectations are met and disputes are minimized. Additionally, collecting a security deposit upon signing the lease is a standard practice, which protects your investment from potential damages and signifies the tenant's commitment to maintaining the property. Taking these measured steps not only safeguards your assets, but also fosters mutual trust and respect between you and your tenants. Number 17. Purchase your second and third property. Once you start receiving a consistent cash flow and have established a streamlined process, you can begin considering the acquisition of your second and third rental properties. This expansion will not only increase your overall wealth, but also help in diversifying your investment portfolio. With a solid foundation in place, you will be more confident in navigating the real estate industry and making informed decisions. By leveraging the knowledge and experience gained from the management of your first property, you will be well equipped to handle any challenges that come with additional properties. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.